On July 9th of 1868, the state of South Carolina joined 27 other states by voting to ratify the 14th Amendment to the United States Constitution, the first section of which reads in full, "All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws." The second fundamental provision included in this section is the Due Process Clause, which reiterates and reinforces the nearly identical stipulation included in the Fifth Amendment, which states in part that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, that being the requirement that governmental bodies, be they federal, state, or local, must adhere to the restrictions placed upon them by the foundational documents that form them without violating the rights of the people under whose consent they operate, in order for the judgments of those bodies to be considered and treated as legitimate. It is a legal concept established in print in Clause 39 of the Magna Carta, which was sealed by King John of England in June of 1215, and stated in part that no free man shall be seized or imprisoned, or stripped of his rights or possessions, or outlawed or exiled, or deprived of his standing in any other way, nor will we proceed with force against him, or send others to do so, except by the lawful judgment of his equals, or by the law of the land. The United States Supreme Court has consistently held that due process of law provides four legal protections: procedural due process in civil and criminal proceedings, substantive due process, safeguarding individuals from majoritarian policies, a prohibition against the creation of laws that are too vague for the average citizen to understand what they require or restrict, and the incorporation of the Bill of Rights, applying the first 10 amendments to the United States Constitution, not just to the federal government, but to the individual states of the Union as well.